Today, I want you to kick that voice of inner judgment out the door. That voice of criticism, judgment, blame, fearful warnings, and one more way to procrastinate. So this is Elsie Kerns, and I want to speak about this in more depth on that free seminar we're going to do this coming Tuesday, April the 9th. We're going to talk about this voice of inner judgment and the way that it keeps us procrastinating and stopping us from moving forward. So I hope you will join me so that we can look at this together and look at ways that we can not only fire that voice of inner judgment, but move forward. One thing we can do right now, right this minute, is bring your hand up over your forehead. So we're going to bring blood back to the forebrain, to that neocortex, and we're going to say, good things are happening for me today and every day. So again, just come up, hold this front cortex here, this neocortex, the front of your forehead, close your eyes and say and believe good things are happening for me today and every day. Just stay here for a minute, smile. Again, good things are happening for me today and every day. Okay, sign the link below if you haven't already. Join me. It'll be recorded Tuesday, April 9th, 7 to 8 Eastern Daylight Time. And we're going to talk about those 3 healing secrets that I've been discussing over the last couple days. It's Friday. Have a good weekend. And I will see you next Tuesday. Thank you.